Hello, my YouTube family. I hope you are doing great. Today, we are going to talk about something that can completely change the way you manage your money in the coming years. Because if you want to learn how to use AI to save more, invest smarter, and actually grow your wealth in 2026, not just track expenses, but build a real financial system, then this video is going to be extremely valuable for you. And make sure you stay till the end because I will share a simple AI powered system that you can start using immediately. This is part of the Wealth AI series where we focus on turning artificial intelligence into income, skills, and long term wealth. So if you are serious about growing financially using AI, make sure you subscribe. Now let's begin. First, let's understand the problem. Because personal finance is not about lack of money, it is about lack of systems. According to a report by Lending Club, around 60% of people in the United States live paycheck to paycheck. That means even high earners struggle to manage money properly. And in India, according to financial literacy surveys, a large portion of the population still lacks structured financial planning. Now, combine this with another fact. The average person today makes more financial decisions than ever before. Subscriptions, digital payments, investments, loans, EMIs. And most of these decisions are made without data, without analysis, and without a system. That is where mistakes happen. And that is exactly where AI changes everything. Now let's understand what is happening globally. Artificial intelligence is rapidly entering the financial world. According to a report by Grandview Research, the AI in finance market is expected to grow at a very high rate and cross over $100 billion in the coming years. Banks, fintech companies, and investment platforms are already using AI for fraud detection, credit scoring, risk analysis, personalized financial recommendations. And here is the key insight. These same technologies are now becoming available to individuals, which means for the first time, you can manage your money like institutions do. Now let's move to the first major benefit, saving money using AI. Most people think they have a spending problem, but in reality, they have a visibility problem. They simply do not know where their money is going. AI tools can automatically track your spending patterns, categorize your expenses, and identify waste. For example, AI can detect that you are spending a certain amount every month on subscriptions you don't use, or that your food delivery expenses have increased by 30% over the last 3 months. Now, here is something important. According to research from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, people who actively track their expenses reduce unnecessary spending by around 15 to 20%. Now, imagine doing that automatically using AI. That is the first level of financial control. Now, let's move to budgeting. Traditional budgeting does not work for most people because it is static and life is dynamic. AI based budgeting adjusts automatically based on your income, your spending behavior, and your financial goals. For example, AI can recommend how much to save this month, where to cut unnecessary expenses, how to adjust your spending based on upcoming commitments. And here is something interesting. Studies show that automated saving systems significantly increase savings consistency because when saving becomes automatic, people are less likely to skip it. AI makes that automation possible. Now let's go deeper. Investing. This is where most people feel confused because investing requires knowledge, timing, and discipline. And many people avoid it because they feel overwhelmed. Now, here is where AI becomes powerful. AI powered platforms can analyze market trends, historical data, and risk patterns. They can suggest diversified portfolios, automatically rebalance investments, and optimize long term growth. Now, let's be clear, AI does not guarantee profits, but it improves decision making, and better decisions lead to better outcomes over time. According to industry data, robo advisors and AI driven investment platforms manage hundreds of billions of dollars globally. This shows that even large financial systems trust AI. Now let's connect this with India. India is one of the fastest growing fintech markets in the world. With UPI processing billions of transactions every month, digital finance adoption is already very high. At the same time, investment platforms like Zerodha, Grow, and others are bringing more people into investing, and AI integration is increasing in these platforms. This creates a massive opportunity because the infrastructure is already there, and now AI is adding intelligence to it. Now, let's talk about income. Because personal finance is not just about saving money, it is about growing money. AI can help you increase income as well. For example, AI can help you identify freelance opportunities, create digital products, automate small online businesses, optimize pricing strategies. According to data from freelance platforms like Upwork, professionals using AI tools are able to increase productivity significantly, which directly impacts earnings. So, AI is not just helping you manage money, it is helping you make more money. Now, let's talk about risk because this is where AI adds another layer of value. Financial risk is everywhere: fraud, overspending, bad investments. AI can detect unusual patterns, alert you about suspicious transactions, and help you make safer decisions. Banks already use AI extensively for fraud detection. Now, individuals are getting access to similar capabilities. Now, let's simplify everything into a system. If you want to use AI for personal finance in 2026, follow this simple framework. Track your expenses using AI. Automate your savings. Use AI insights for budgeting. Invest using AI supported platforms. Use AI to increase your income. This creates a complete financial system. Now, let's talk about reality because this is very important. AI is powerful, but it is not magic. Most people will watch this video, feel motivated, and then do nothing. And that is why they will not see results. The real benefit comes from consistency, using the system over time.
Now, here is the most important insight. Money today is not just about earning, it is about managing, optimizing, and growing. And AI gives you an advantage in all three.
If you want to learn how to use AI to build real income, develop high income skills, and create long term wealth, then this is only the beginning. Because what we are seeing right now is not just a technology shift, it is a financial shift. According to multiple industry reports, the global AI in finance market is expected to cross well over $100 billion dollars in the coming years, growing at a very high rate every single year. At the same time, research shows that more than 70 to 80% of financial institutions are already using AI in some form, from fraud detection to investment decisions to personalized financial recommendations. Even large scale investment platforms and robo advisors are now managing hundreds of billions of dollars using AI driven systems. And here is the most important insight: this level of financial intelligence was earlier available only to institutions. Now it is becoming accessible to individuals.
Which means the advantage is shifting from institutions to people who know how to use these tools. And according to financial behavior studies, individuals who actively track and optimize their money using systems can improve savings rates by 15 to 20% and make significantly better financial decisions over time. That is the power of systems. And AI is making those systems easier than ever before. This is exactly why this channel exists. This is Wealth AI, where we do not just talk about artificial intelligence, we focus on how to use it in real life to build income, improve decisions, and create long term wealth. So, if you are serious about staying ahead financially, make sure you subscribe because here we focus on execution, not just information. And now I want you to take one small step. Tell me in the comments what is the first AI tool or strategy you are going to use to manage your money because that one decision can change your direction completely. And remember this, the future does not belong to AI. It belongs to the people who know how to use AI to create value. Start today, build smart systems, stay consistent, and give yourself the advantage that most people will ignore. Grow your wealth with AI.